And I don't always agree with everything Warren Buffett says, so this is not going there. But he has been proven to be a successful investor by the world standards for a really long time. He's 92 years old. So this is interesting because we get a lot of comments in this vein of thought that, hey, I'm 75 years old. I'm not sure if I have a long-term time horizon. Should I be following a stock strategy? Should I even be in stocks at all? What should I do? Well, he's 92 years old. And I even heard him say this morning that the company that he manages doesn't base decisions about whether they're going to own a company for the next 20 years on what the Fed does at its next meeting. And that is very consistent with the view that we have here at Financial Issues. We are helping you to manage a biblically responsible long-term strategy. We're not super focused. We talk about what's happening in the markets, in the economy, just to keep you informed and to keep ourselves informed and to help us make some long-term decisions. But, what the Fed does at its next meeting is not going to impact the companies that we're going to buy for the next 20 years. That's the other important piece of it, is you have to look at investing as investing in companies, real things. You're not gambling. You're not just making a wager on if the market's going to, now, if you're doing options trading or, things like that, you could potentially be gambling. But that is not the strategy that we have here at Financial Issues. We're looking at companies that have a good chance because they have good management, they have a good track record, they have good history, they have a good business plan to make money in the next 10 to 20 years. So I would encourage you, when you start to get caught up in all the headlines, just remember they're just headlines. There's no guarantee that any of these things are going to come to fruition. A lot of it is just fear mongering. So, listen through the filter of taking these things with a grain of salt and not letting them influence your long-term decisions.